Hey everyone, first of all, myself Praveen V. Thanks for watching me this video. This video is mostly about AWS code build, guys. So let's get into the video. AWS code build is nothing but it is a continuous integration service, guys. So in the CI/CD, it will come under CI line, guys. So what is code build? Which it automatically builds our code, which means it automatically fetches the code and builds the code whatever we have written in the script file, guys. And it will test and it will deploy the package as an artifact in our S3 in AWS. Okay, this is how this code build works. What issue this person is solving is, in the traditional way we will be handling our own build servers, so it is solving that by managing by the AWS, guys. It also manage concurrent builds, guys, so there will be no waiting time for the builds, so it will be running multiple builds by scaling up the servers. So next is key features of AWS Code Build, which is fully managed. It is completely managed by AWS, which is then fully managed, and pay per use, which means it will incur cost only for the build times. If the build takes 5 minutes, it will be incurring cost for the 5 minutes. So that's the pay per use, and it support multiple build environments, which means it will support multiple languages like Java, Node.js, PHP. So the AWS support multiple languages, guys. So integration with CI/CD services, which is that it is easy to integrate with the code deploy or code pipeline or any Jenkins. So it will be easy to integrate with any CI/CD services. And build reports. Build reports is nothing but it is very easy to create a log, and we can able to create an artifact from this AWS code build. So that is the on its build out reports. So and security and access management, which is like we can, in security and access management, we can create a user and with a policy so that the particular user can be able to access this security and access management via the code build, guys, via the AWS IAM, so that the particular user can able to see their logs and the build times out and anything that is written in the code build, guys. So this is about code build. So let's get into the demo video, guys. This is the IAM page. If you want to give an access to the code build, then you can go to the user sections and you can go to the user and you can able to give the policies, right? You can attach directly the policies, like you can able to give code build. So it's taking time. You refresh the page and write the code build, then it will be showing here, so you can able to add the permissions directly, guys. Right now you can see here AWS code build developer access, read only access. So based on the permissions, so you can give it to the user, so you can they can able to access the code build, guys. So now go to the code build page. So you can see it's useful for build and test code with the AWS Elastic Scaling. So go to the build projects, then you can see just I will be using different code builds. So I just use a demo code build. I will be creating a new project right now. Give any name, just like project, and I'll be using this no source provider. You can use an Amazon S3 or code commit. Right now, code commit is not you should not be using the code commit, guys. It is dropped out by the AWS right now. Or you can use the GitHub. So here you can see, guys, environment. So in the backend, for in code build also, it is going to create an EC2 instance, which is a server, and it will run the code, guys. So that's the thing that is behind the code build is running. Here you can see it's on demand code build. Server will be getting and it will be creating an image. Will be AWS code build will be managed by the image and EC2, and it will be going to create a new role for us so that it can able to access the S3 to store an artifacts, and we can give us a timeout hour, guys. This is the timeout hours. Based on this hours, it will be incurring charge, guys. Here it's maximum 1 hour. If the code will run within 1 hour, it will be costing for 1 hour, but it will not run after 1 hour, guys. So this and all deep on allow options. So here you can see the build spec.yaml, guys. This is the file that code build going to take and it will run for us. Okay, so you need to use this build spec.yaml, right? Just like this is a sample code that is given by the AWS code build. You can use this to create an AWS code build. You can use this artifacts page tab to create store the artifacts in the Amazon S3. If you're choosing the Amazon S3, then you need to store the give the bucket name so that it can able to store the artifacts. So I'm just right now giving the no artifacts and I'm enabling the CloudWatch logs. If you enable the CloudWatch logs, you can able to see the logs, guys. So just create build project. Right now I'm using the sample build spec.yaml that is given by the code build. So in the real time you will be using the your code build based on the code that you have written. Right now, just if I given code build project is created, if I given the start build, then it will be building, guys. So it will print hello world. You can see it will print the hello world based on the script that is written in the build spec.yaml, guys. So this is how we need to create a code build projects. So if you are using a Sonar Cube or Cypress, then you need to configure the build spec.yaml accordingly based on the documentation that is given by that particular Sonar Cube or Cypress, guys. So this is how you need to create a code build. Thanks for watching this video.